to the channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 7 and we are back with another video. Today we are going to be decorating our 12-foot Christmas tree in our formal dining room. So I decided to take you guys along with us while we decorate our tree for the Christmas holiday. So let's get started.
Thy leaves are so unchanging, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging, not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. You'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging.
I love this time of year, especially the Christmas season. I know it's a little different this year, but I still feel like you should decorate your home, see loved ones any way possible. Even if you have to do Zoom, just enjoy the season. Sometimes when life throws you a curveball, you just change it up and do it a little bit different, but you can still have the same wonderful time that you had the year before or previous years. You just have to do things a little bit different this year. And I am enjoying the holiday season. I am enjoying Vlogmas. And if you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below.
Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging, not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me.
shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give them love some more.
Okay guys, this is the finished look and I love it. It came out amazing. So I'm just gonna give you guys an overview. I want to go with simple decor. I didn't really want any ribbon, just ornaments, and I wanted the traditional colors, and it is just beautiful. So we're gonna go in close and I'm gonna feature some of my specialty ornaments, like this Santa here that is so beautiful. And then I have this ornament here. And these little, I think they call them spindle ornaments, came from that bag from the thrift store. And we're gonna go all the way up. And for a tree topper, I just did a simple arrangement of picks. See if I go on the side and keep me zoom in. So there it goes. Just a simple arrangement. I probably will be putting in some more greenery. This is what I had so far, but it's just a mixture of some red and green picks. And here are some of the ornaments up top. I have my angel there, as you see. And yeah guys, I just love how this tree came out. And here's the bottom. I got this tree skirt on clearance at, I think it was Lowe's. It was either the Lowe's or Hobby Lobby. I think I only paid like $7 for it. And it fits perfect under my tree. So that is a close look. It says Merry and Bright. And in my last video, I shared my nutcracker, but I didn't share the ornaments. These ornaments I got last year from QVC, and I set one on each side of my nutcracker. And let's take another look at my nutcracker, guys. He is so handsome. And I got him from Sam's. So this is a look at my Christmas tree in my formal dining room, and I am doing a traditional tablescape, and that video will be coming up really soon. So make sure you have your notification button on so you won't miss any of my uploads. I'm going to give you guys one last look at my tree, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.